Firstly, if you have capital and don't know how to optimize your YouTube channel, you can try VIQ. Why did you want to become a YouTuber? Or I mostly call it as creator. What videos do you want to create? Your primary goal is necessarily motivated you during your hard times, especially when you are really exhausted and almost want to give up. No matter if you do it for fun, you want to increase your income, or you want to make a living on it. Usually I will highlight that if you give up, then everything goes nothing. But now I think different. If you want to give up, I'm not going to stop you because it is your decision. Maybe sometimes giving up might be a great choice to you, but you must ask yourself why you want to do it at first and why you don't want to do it anymore. Figure out, is it that you just need a break, or you already had it all, or even you don't have the capital to live before it becomes your main income. I can provide you some useful hints for you. Maybe if you are just exhausted and just go to take a break, no matter how long is it, few days, weeks or months, it is okay to live for a while. Most people may feel exhausted if reality doesn't meet their expectation, like the views, subscribers, or have tried most online hacks to optimize title, thumbnail, script and editing, but seems no improvement. This is the reality and also the process for you to learn which is suitable to your channel and grow specifically based on it. I want to emphasize that YouTube is hard if you want to grow instantly in short term, and it is even harder if you want to consistently grow in long term. So take a break. You can watch some TV shows or movies or animes. Here is one popular Japanese anime I personally recommend and I have recently finished. It's called Bakuman, which is about two high school students striving hard to achieve their dreams of creating a successful manga series. For someone not familiar with the challenges, competition and complexities of the manga industry in Japan, publishing even one successful manga is almost a life barrier to most manga creators. So if you feel interested, then give it a try. Hope you can get some inspirations and motivations from this anime, as I personally was inspired by hard works, determinations and achievements. But if your burnout is due to doing high potential topics but you don't feel interested, then try to do something you love, create whatever you want. You cannot sustain longer if you do what you feel bored. And the last one I personally can give hints is, if you don't have money, you just need to find a job to make money first, until your YouTube income is able to surpass your job income. Even though you are not willing to do, you still need to eat, drink, live, or maybe you even have a family to feed, so the expenses are always available for you to pay. This is the reality you have to solve. Plus, it takes time to become good at something. Hope you can really understand this and be more open to the results you get. See you in the next video. If you are a YouTube creator, VIQ is definitely worth your money, because they have a lot of cool features that have been consistently updated and more AI features are coming out. They are really helpful and can save you a lot of time, like AI title recommendation, description generator, trending sign, and my personal favorite is daily idea and customer idea. They are the AI generated ideas for you. So if you are a star don't have ideas, you can use them in your next video. And the thing I mostly like is, when you are doing more and more, it is gonna learn and improve based on your consistent data, and it will get better and better.